Here's a quick overview of some of the things that you learn on the advanced course. Everything you see here is created using the various functions of the other video clips you'll see on this channel. First of all, the action facility allows us to choose a particular action by hovering over these little globes of a menu. If we look at image manipulation and editing, everything you see on here was done in PowerPoint. It was not done in Photoshop or PaintShop Pro. You can create photos that appear to be what we call popping out. So you can see this picture was just a regular photograph, but it looks as though the man is almost stretching out of the picture. And all of these features add that 3D appearance to what is basically a 2D application. Here we can see we've created a nice blend from a photograph to a faded edge, and that's just using one of the presets. Here we've got a photograph with what we call a back screen. This is where you put a box, a text box with some text in, but so that the text doesn't get lost in the picture, we add some colour to the background of the box, and we can change the transparency setting so you can still see part of the picture through what's called the back screen. Here's another example of a standard regular photo appearing to look as though it's got a cat actually sitting on the picture. We're using another action setting here to go back to the main menu. We can use special effects using just transitions. What you're about to see here is how we draw people's attention to just one packet of cereal. What we've got are two slides. One of the slides is in colour, the other one is in black and white. Watch what happens to one of the cereal packets. When we click the button, we're going to get a transition between the slides. And you'll see that the cereal packet, one of them that we want the focus of attention to appeal to, remains in colour. Now that's using a trick that we saw earlier of cropping, where you crop the picture. Here's another way you can enhance an image. We're interested in just a lady in front, so we want the full focal attention on her. Now you can see that what we've got here, when I click, it appears that everyone else is out of focus, and this is called the depth of field in photography. Now we can also do something else, is to bring her forward, as well as remove the colour in the background. And we've added some animation to move her forward and also to bring in a text box. In one of our training videos, we used Elvis and we removed the background, and that's how you achieve this effect. So those are just some of the ideas how you can add real power to a standard presentation.